Class 7 exercise 7a algebra continued from here from question number 16. This is your question. X plus y 2x plus 5 minus x plus y x plus 3. So what is common here? Look, these two we can easily find out that we have got common. Now what is left? From this side we have got 2x plus 5 minus x plus 3. Write as it is 2x plus 5, remove this bracket, plus minus minus x plus minus minus 3. Now this as it is 2x minus x, that means you will get it as 1x. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Same way, question number 17. From these two we can find out that r we have got common here. Now what is left? A. From this side we have got b. What is common here? So easily we can find that t is common. From this side you can write a, from here b. Both the brackets we have got same number, so easily we can take it out common. From this side r plus t, so write plus t. Same condition in question number 18. X square minus ax minus bx plus ab. So common in these two, that is x. So x minus a. Common in these two, b. So x minus a, because minus and minus becomes plus. So now we can find out both of them are common here. X minus b, so x minus b. Same way you can try question number 19 and question number 20. Now from question number 21, same we have got. What is common in these two? That is only b. 6a we have got here, 1b also. What is common in these two? That is 2c. So 6a minus b is left. We can find out both of them are common. b plus 2c. So write b plus 2c. Question number 22. X minus 2y whole square plus 4x minus 8y. So we can find out anything common here. What is that? That is 4. So x minus 2y, and whole square means to write same number twice. Now easily we can find from here and here, these two we can take it out common. What is left? X minus 2y plus 4. In this question, question number 23, y square. First we have to multiply this number with both the numbers. Xy into 1, that is xy, minus minus plus xy into x, that is x square y minus x cube. Now from these two and these two common, we can easily find out y is common over here. Y minus x. Common in these two, that is x square y minus x. So write out down y minus x, y plus x square. This one, question number 24. A plus b. We have studied this. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This is hint formula. So a plus b, think this is as a and this one is b. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Plus is here. A square b square minus 2ab. Now what does this mean? This means that a square x square. This means b square y square. A 2ax by. Same condition. 1 plus 1 minus goes cancel. This number and the other number where a is written, take it out common, and from the other two take it out other side common. Bracket 1 we can write it out one side and the leftover other side. Same way question number 26 also we have got. Common in these two, that is x square, and nothing is common, that means we have got 1. If nothing is common, that means 1. Bracket 1 write it one side and the number other side. Same question number 27. First of all, what is our work? To multiply the numbers. And then after multiplying first and the third number, second and fourth number, we can take it out something common, and after taking out common we will find out that bx plus ay, b here it was other side, so this minus will become, this plus will become as minus. Try to solve question number 28.